Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction. Move. Yo. Khago dropped a song yesterday. Swamp Rat. And I-Octane is here with Swamp Cat. Swamp Cat, guys. I want to crown me as the quickest bumbleclot reactor. Crown me. Come here, put in my work. No crown me. Yeah, give me flowers. No, me want it. Bumbleclot, we gotta jump in that one here with the G. I say, acting, make myself. The war is on. The war is full effect. So we unite. Every blood clotting. I'm drink some water. Cause this one I gotta go. Let's go. Let it play.
Then Rupago. I push him like a deal with your wicked.
CM Bumbleclot rhythm. CM rhythm. That is what I've been asking for. CM Bumbleclot rhythm. Why? Let's go.
Then Rupago. I push him like a deal with your wicked. You know, so you're haunted by your own clippings. Margarita shot.
Voila. Pussy, you don't see you're haunted by your own clippings. Why?
Then Rupago. I push him like a deal with your wicked. You know, so you're haunted by your own clippings. Margarita shot. What the fuck face when you feel fuck your rifle and you show me so you're real bad.
This guy, yo. This can't believe this. What are we witnessing? 2023, what are we witnessing? I never thought I will ever see a clash like this. But it's on.
Get the fuck face when you feel fuck your rifle and you show me so you're real bad. This pussy come and chat about girl period. And with the blood clot take some liquor sea frog.
This nigga pussy come and chat about period. So because in a Khago song, Khago did say blood I run out of acting is like period. So he must say to Khago, say, what I look at you that come and talk about period. What we call him sea frog.
Get the fuck face when you feel fuck your rifle and you show me so you're real bad. This pussy come and chat about girl period. And with the blood clot take some liquor sea frog. Mac 90 bust out your head and it no legal. I show you come and ask Steven Seagal.
Yo! Mac 90 bust out your head and it no legal. So right now, my rifle illegal. My gun them illegal. So I don't have to answer to nobody. I don't have to answer to no FLA. I don't have to answer to no police and nothing because my thing them illegal and me alone have them. Oh, I'm here.
Bust out your head and it no legal. I show you come and ask Steven Seagal. But my war it no sweet, this no cereal. Ruga bust up your big head with shot for lethal. Yeah, we real bad. Khago a dreams. Man in a skirt that on me. Your fucking blood that run in the dirt when my big squeeze.
Yeah, floor. Catch floor pussy. Hey.
Come and ask Steven Seagal. But my war it no sweet, this no cereal. Ruga bust up your big head with shot for lethal. Yeah, we real bad. Khago a dreams. Man in a skirt that on me. Your fucking blood that run in the dirt when my big squeeze.
I say, man, I say, yo, yeah, chat about me there foreign wear girl clothes. Man in a skirt, that's not me, brother. Wrong somebody that. Where you get the picture from? Wrong somebody, that is not me. That's what I say.
James, man in a skirt that on me. Your fucking blood that run in the dirt when my big squeeze. And if you're up in the arms with the police, and even if you're up in the church, there with the priest.
So you man say, yo, no matter where you're there, no matter what, no matter, brother, you can't get away from this. If you're up in the arms with the police, you cannot get away from this. You see me? If you're up in a church, brother, I'm still a forward for you, because I'm afraid. Brawl in daylight. Me I come for you. That's what the G said, not me.
If you're up in the arms with the police, and even if you're up in the church, there with the priest. I'm a take a point any person with the miss. Mac 90 fuck up the girl for enemies. Nyam fuck Khago, I take a person for the peace.
What I'm calling? Nyam fuck Khago. Yeah, but I knew him I give Khago to pussy clad. Khago, Rupago.
90 fuck up the girl for enemies. Nyam fuck Khago, I take a person for the peace. Fish shot you and put in a purse and that's the least. When the rifle sound blow, the pussy now go get them way.
The man say, hey, I go bust up in a 7-piece Khago. And the man say, yo, if you shot you and put in a earth that are the least, brother, we do that for free. I have to take no bumbleclot payment. That's free. That's a gift to that's a gift to you.
You want put in a purse and that's the least. When the rifle sound blow, the pussy now go get them way. Blow dirty junker and go dead today.
Melody. Melody come from, who's in the song again? Yo, me can never tell me love away. Yo, me never tell me love away. Yeah. Which artist in that song? I forgot, you know, man. Why me can't remember them song? I know the fucking song, them, bro.
Blow the pussy and go get away. Blow dirty junker and go dead today. Blow the pussy and go get away. Blow dirty junker and go dead today. Fuck face going down. The Jake on the play if you send boy home.
Yo, the boss continue the same melody from the song of me attack. No, they could never take my love away. No, they could never take my love away. It's a reggae song. It's a lovers rock song, but can't remember who singing.
And chatting in a head like phone. I would do some blood clot clown. No, we no wash can clothes. We no wear dress foreign or local. Live up in rogue, I am me deal with them brutal. 15 shot in a head, go get total. Chop out him fuck tongue when we roll. Him a turbo swamp rat a film camp that. Mini rifle with the pan pack make any man chop him.
Him a talk about swamp rat. Remember say a year camp that in a cargo. So what you do? Mine, you know. That's how I act and say, yo, no swamp rat around here. As a matter of fact, yeah, swamp cat. That's the title of the song, swamp cat. Yeah, let's go.
Turbo swamp rat a film camp that. Mini rifle with the pan pack make any man chop. Remember killing in a me contract. No fire one pop. Like reggae wall a one drop. When the bomb drop, when the rifle sound.
Like reggae wall a one drop. Reggae wall a one drop when the rifle sound.
Shot no fire one pop. Like reggae wall a one drop. When the bomb drop, when the rifle sound. Blow the pussy and go get away. Blow dirty junker and go dead today. Blow the pussy and go get away. Blow dirty junker and go dead today. Fuck face going down. The Jake on the play if you send boy home. Me gunshot ring in a head like phone. I would do some blood clot clown. No, when the rifle sound. Blow the pussy and go get away. Blow dirty junker and go dead today. Blow the pussy and go get away. Blow dirty junker and go dead today. Fuck face going down. The Jake on the play if you send boy home. Me gunshot ring in a head like phone. I would do some blood clot clown.
Hey, whoa, the war is on, man. The war is on, man. Yo, the war is on, man. The war is on. So, son, man, like me say for ya, we can get a juggling here now. So we have Khago on the rhythm and we have I-Octane on the same rhythm here now. And this is the second song we see them on the same rhythm. So, this bad. Leroy Gibbons is the artist. Leroy Gibbons. So is a Leroy Gibbons. Wait name. What the fucking Leroy Gibbons? Yo, this song bad though. This song fucking bad. Can't go around it. All lead. Leave in the comment section for me. All lead, dog. All lead. If you notice, I hardly react to other people's song right now. I just focus on this. So that's why you see me here. So as the song them drop, because I keep on refreshing my YouTube. As the song them drop, I am here. I am fucking here. So make sure you leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I am here. I was here. I'll see you guys. Bye.